Hey everyone, welcome back to the Preset Biz channel. So today we're going to take a look at one of your requests, which was Hangover by Dynoro. And this might actually be a really tricky one to do because there's so many bass layers going on. In this video, we're also going to make use of one of the new packs, which is the biggest one yet. It's the main stage pack. I'm really excited to try some of these new samples out. And then on Friday, we're going to do like a full big video as well, going through all of those. But let's jump straight into the project. So I'm going to run you through some of the bass lines that I've put down here. And I've recreated some MIDI for this song, which was really tricky because I had to quantize things with a bit of shuffle. And as you can see, I've got about 45% here just to kind of match the original swing. But then we've got some triplet stuff going on and just all sorts of things to try and replicate the original. But this is what that first bass preset sounds like. And as you can hear, we've got some processing going on the bass. So I'm running it through, same as usual, a bit of BX Digital for a bit of width on the top, some reverb as well, which is kind of important for the character of this sound, and then some pretty heavy compression compared to normal. When all the sounds are together, it's doing about 3-4 dB reduction. So for the next sound, I've gone into Piano House Volume 1, and I've grabbed this preset here called Heart. And it's got that FM bass sound that we really need for this song. And then we're going to make use of the crazy new main stage pack with this bass shot here. I've also layered in this kick here from Main Stage Volume 1, and this is just giving a bit more attack to the whole sound. Obviously, it's really important to shape this sound so you don't get the whole kick. You just want the really starting part of it, like the attacky part. And then the final sound we're using is from Car Music Volume 2, and like the preset says, it's a really crisp slap house kind of bass, like this. So if we play together all 5 of these layers, we've got this. So the next part I noticed was a harmonic bass sound. It's playing a different riff as well, so it makes it a bit challenging to kind of time it alongside the other bass. Using the same shuffle quantize and playing it like an octave above the rest of the bass just really helps to make it stand out. And I'm using this preset called Around just to do the top melody stuff. And then we've got this one here called Hype, doing some FM sort of stuff on this top melody. And then finally, this sound here is a bass shot from Car Music Volume 3, and it's just giving us that top end click that we're kind of missing. So altogether, if we combine the harmonic bass and the normal bass, we've got this. So the melodies are kind of intertwined with each other a bit, which works really well in this song. So the next important sound to this song is this womp called Womp No, and it's just filling in little gaps in between the bass lines. And the really cool unique thing I noticed about this song was in the second half of the drops, he's layered in this FM bass, which is just playing small little stabs. And this interacts really nicely just in the background of all the other bass content going on. Let's add the key part now, which is the kick and the rest of the drums. So I've picked this kick here from Car Music Volume 2. Let's get some claps in here. We're applying some really minimal processing on here, a little bit of dB reduction on the CLA compressor, and then some OTT as well, just to add in a little bit more top end. And the last sound we're missing is an exhaust / downlifter sort of thing. So I've added in this one here from Main Stage Volume 1. Alright, so it's time to go and check out everything all together and see how close we are to the original. It's quite a complex song, so I'm not expecting it to be, super close with this kind of amount of work. I mean, you can obviously go way further in with mastering and mixing and adding different layers and stuff. But I think this is pretty close for now, so let's go and take a listen. So there we go, there's my remake of Hangover, and I'm really excited to do a full demo of Main Stage Volume 1 on Friday. It's going to be really cool, we're going to be able to try out loads of different sounds, but that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video and what you want to see next from us. Smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you soon.